Boba break, boba break, boba break, boba break. Hey you guys, what's up? It's Nika Fashionika, and today I have a cotton on haul. Yes, I'm actually so excited because I have worn cotton on since, I don't know, I was a teenager. I always shopped during their Black Friday sales because they were so good, and I'd be the one that would like wait in like an hour-long line just to get the deals. But honestly, cotton on is such a good deal, and for the quality, they're so good. I picked out a few things that are perfect for the fall. Some are basic, some are like a little bit different from what I would typically pick, but you know, I'm all about like trying out different styles. But anyways, let's get on with this video. Oh, and if you're interested in any of these pieces, I'm gonna link them down below in my bio so you can check them out. All right, let's go. Boba break. ASMR. If you guys have an 85 bakery, they just came out with a sea salt chocolate milk tea boba. Didn't know if I was gonna like it because I'm not a huge fan of sea salt, but oh my god, this is so good. Not sponsored, kind of wish it was. Let's get on with this haul. The first item that I grabbed was this cropped pullover sweater. I love it. I was so like not certain what color I wanted, and now I regret not getting more because I'm obsessed with this sweater. It's so comfortable. I love like the knit material. It's perfect for the fall coming up, and I'm actually really happy that I picked the heather gray even though I really want more. This just goes with like literally everything. I would actually like to change it up because I would do a denim on denim with this, but to change it up I would do like an all white look, kind of wear some white pants, a white pair of shoes, call it a day, and then I don't know, I really like this, and it's super comfortable, and I think that's what's important, like especially for the fall. It's all about layering and layering really good basics. So if you have the quality basic, then your outfit just looks complete. There was this nude one that I was really interested in. Really should have gotten that one too. So this one was $25. Boba break! Again? you literally showed them like one item. Okay, so the next two items, I'm just gonna show these as a pair because they're denim. I have never worn cotton on denim, but I really like am in need of denim right now, especially because it's starting to get a little bit colder in California, whatever that means, aka like 70 degrees. They kind of look similar, but I swear they're not. This one is a darker wash denim, and then this one is a lighter wash denim. I really like these because they are a high waist, and I really only just wear high waist jeans. I definitely have to hack off the bottom for both because I tried it on, and yeah, they're so long on me even though I expected it because that's how all denim is on me, but I have to hack these off and then they'll be good to go. They were just really necessities. They were both $39. All right, moving on. Okay, so, oh, my intern is Next item that I grabbed is something that I typically wouldn't grab, but I really liked this print. This is the woven Anya ruffle mini dress, and I really liked the length of it on me. I loved how like it's very Victorian inspired, like the style. I loved the little collar, and then the sleeve, the ruffle sleeve, it was really pretty. And then I love the print. It's just a bunch of, I think this is leopard or cheetah. I really can never tell, but it's one of them. And then it has this cute little like ruffle at the end as well, and it's actually a really good length on me. Me being like 5 feet, I'm so petite, so I was really surprised when I tried it on, and I think that's due in part to this elastic waist because you can really play around with the length. So yeah, that was great. I would throw it on with maybe like a denim jacket, my favorite nude hat, and then my strappy nude heels. I think they would look really good because for dresses, I always like bottom line wear nude heels because it elongates my height, because again, I don't have much height to play around with. So yeah, that's a tip, pro tip, always wear nude heels if you would like to look taller, especially when wearing dresses because your legs will look long. This one was $35. Boba break. Did you switch with me? Why is mine like so much lower?
No, I just drank from yours.
We got the same thing! So the next item that I grabbed was this like boxy fleece sweatshirt. So good. I'm really excited about this because like, I mean, I'm like so comfy in sweatshirts. I love wearing them. I even wear them to work, which is fine because you can really be casual at my office. I would honestly plan to wear this to work. I would wear this with like black denim, light denim. I would do like a little Canadian tuxedo, aka denim on denim with this look. What really drew me to this was the color. It is kind of like a rusty-ish brown. I like this ribbed collar. I think I could style it a bunch, so that's why I grabbed it, and I ended up getting this for $25, which is such a good deal because sweatshirts for some reason are like so pricey nowadays. Like, it's really shocking. Boba break. The last item that I grabbed is my favorite. A little bit of backstory. So my boyfriend bought this jacket 2 years ago for himself, right? And I fell in love with it. I ended up stealing it from him, and yeah, he still wears it a bunch, but I wear it just as often. When I saw it in women's sizing, I knew that I should probably get it so that I don't have to steal his. But it's crazy, now we can match. It's so funny because it's literally the exact same jacket, but in girls. It's this like simple Sherpa denim jacket with the Sherpa collar and then the Sherpa lining. So it's gonna be nice and toasty and warm during the fall and winter. And then there's like the Sherpa on the cuff. I love it, and I feel like I know this jacket so well because I have really been wearing it for 2 years, but just in a very manly large size. So I'm so excited to be owning this, and then I can twin with my boyfriend and he's gonna hate it. He hates twinning with me. We don't even do it on purpose, but we end up twinning a lot because our styles are very similar in a sense. He's more basic though, actually. You can literally style it with anything, and you know, it's just like the perfect fall winter denim jacket. I have a lot of denim jackets, so this is going to be a perfect addition to my collection. And then this one was $60, totally a steal because I know denim jackets get so pricey. Anyways, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you're interested in any of the pieces, by the way, I'm linking them down below. Check them out. I appreciate you guys liking these videos and being subscribed to me. It honestly helps a ton. So thank you for all of you who are actually watching this. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and hugs and kisses. Bye guys. The boba and milk tea ratio I'm really proud of all the time. It's always consistent.